Hello everybody, my name is Ella and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my personal favorite chocolate chip cookies. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start with 2.5 cups of white all-purpose flour. We'll set that aside to the side for now. Now we have 2 cups total. I already blended them together. It is 1.5 cup of cane sugar and 1.5 cups of brown sugar. So now we have a teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So now we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We're going to start with some flour, put it in the bowl, get it all in there. And then we're going to add in our baking soda, get it all in there. Now we're going to add our baking powder and our salt. And that is it for your dry ingredients, so you should set them aside. And then you're on to your wet ingredients. So now we're going to mix in our wet ingredients. We're going to start with our sugar blend. Put it all in. And then we are going to add our butter. Oh, I get it all. Now we're going to crack both of our eggs. And if you get a shell in there, it's okay. Just pick it out. And then we're going to add our next egg. And then finally our vanilla.
What are you doing?
Now we're just going to mix it all together. You want to get it really creamy, nice and fluffy. Get it all incorporated together. And you don't want any lumps, so just make it really nice and creamy as much as you can. Look for any lumps, break them up. In the end, it should end up looking kind of like this, with about this consistency. Little runny, kind of thick though. Okay, so now that everything is incorporated, the last thing we have to do is chocolate chips. And I did forget to mention in the beginning to 1, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I used semi-sweet chocolate chips, not bitter. So we're gonna go ahead and add these in. And we're just gonna mix them in with our spatula. And if it gets too hard, which for me, it did, you just want to go in with your hands. Make sure they're clean.
That's good. We'll just speed all this on.
It's all incorporated. I'm going to go wash my hands and then we'll get on with the baking sheets. Alright, so now we are going to put the cookie mix onto the pan. And for the cookies, I'm just using a very small ice cream scooper. It seems to be the perfect size for my cookies. So just get that, put it on your pan. Faster. So we're just going to do these 2 first. I like to start with 8 minutes and then I check them and then I put another 2 minutes on. Once those are ready, I take them out and put them on a cooling rack. So now that the cookies have 8 minutes, we are going to check them. pretty good. So we're gonna put it on for 2 minutes and then we'll get back in. So now that the cookies have gone another 2 minutes, let's take them out. So in the end, this is what you should end up with. Let me know if you try them down in the comments below. Tell me how they are, and if I need improvement on anything, let me know down below. Please give me a thumbs up. Enjoy!